Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of sprayground.com. So sprayground.com is basically an online platform that provides you with a wide variety of backpacks, and they claim their backpacks are tough enough to, manage every day of your adventure. So now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. So start with the green signals first. As you can see, the product is also available on Amazon, so which is a major green signal. Why? Because the being available on Amazon means it has passed through a variety of safety checks, and apart from this, their domain name was registered back in 2010, which means is a really established well brand. So this is also a major green signal, a good sign about this sprayground company. And once I try to search for the reviews of the people about this company on the Trustpilot, you can see people have mixed opinion, and it has a 3.0 rating out of 5, which is an average rating, but it is also based on 112 reviews, so this is a good thing. So in conclusion, I would say, like, there is no harm of trying it out and giving it a shot. You can maybe purchase just one backpack and check the quality of it, and once it is good and meets your requirement, then you can purchase further. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.